How to sign up on XM Traders. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply search for XM Trading on your desktop, or you can also get the application of XM Trading on your mobile device. After that, simply download it if you're on mobile device, and if you're on browser, simply open up the very first link and this is where it will take you. Now simply select this option of get started. Now after that, you need to provide the country of residence, email address and password, and then you have to give the consent and then click on register. By the way, giving consent is not at all required and it is not mandatory, so you can register even without giving consent. Simply click on register after that. After that, check your email address. There you would be able to see the confirmation address. Simply select that particular link in order to confirm your account. And this is how easy it is to register your account on XM Trading. For the direct link, you can check out the comments and the description. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.